If you spend any time outdoors during warm weather, it's important to know Lyme disease is on the rise. It's transmitted via the bite of infected ticks, which vary in shape, color, and size, and may be as small as a pinhead. Check for ticks from head to toe, especially in moist, hairy areas like the groin, armpits, and scalp. If you're bitten, the characteristic bullseye rash is just one symptom of Lyme disease. Other rashes are more common. If you suspect you may have Lyme disease, see your healthcare provider immediately. It takes 2 to 5 weeks after a tick bite before Lyme disease can be detected with blood tests. For this reason, your doctor may recommend treatment with antibiotics before the diagnostic tests are complete. Remember that dogs get Lyme disease too. Check your dog for ticks after returning from the woods or grassy areas, and contact your vet if you see symptoms such as decreased appetite, swollen joints, or lameness.